back to my YouTube channel. My name is Olanshile Davids. I assist people create wealth through real estate. So if you've been following my channel, thank you for subscribing to my YouTube channel. So the last video that I did is on the Hockley The Millennial Town, and what I told you there is, if you're looking for how to make money, an investor, and you're looking for how to make money in real estate, rental property is one of the primary ways that you can make money. Is one of it that you can make money. So, and as you all know, rental properties provide regular income and can appreciate over time too. And that was why the last video I introduced the Hockley to you, the Millennial Town, facing Lekki Expressway at Abijo Gra. Abijo Gra has been considered as one of the emerging markets in Abijo Lekki, and today we are going to talk about the 1-bedroom studio apartment. I told you it's an eco stay, and we are going to provide all the facility, the estate facility, underground cable, 24/7 power supply, 24/7 security, fibre optic connectivity, good water, good road network in the estate, swimming pool, recreational park, and the rest. So it's a complete estate. And the other video I said, if you know 1004 in Victoria Island, Lagos, then this is 2004 in Abijo Gra, facing Lekki Expressway in Lagos, Nigeria. So let's dive in quickly. I'm going to show you now the video of how our 1-bedroom studio apartment will look like. This is Upland Sales, and I want you to watch the video, then we can discuss on it and we can do a calculation. We are looking at investments, how you can invest right in real estate. And don't forget, the title document on this property is Certificate of Occupancy, which you know as C of O. So sit back and watch the video, then I'll come back to show you how you can actually make money investing in 1-bedroom studio apartment in the Hockley, the Millennial Town. So welcome back. I believe you enjoy the video. So let's go now. 1-bedroom studio apartment. It will have a living room, a kitchen on its own, a room, and the toilet and the bathroom. This is not sharing anything with anybody, unlike the co-living that I talk about, that it is sharing the common room, that is the living room, the dining, and the kitchen. But this 1-bedroom studio apartment is not sharing anything with anybody. It has its own kitchen, it has its own living room, the bedroom, and the toilet and the bathroom. And this will be on the ground floor of a building. So this is, I'll show you too what we've able to design. And I told you we have we've done our soil test and we have approval for 15 floors, but we are not doing 15 floors, we are doing 10 floors. So 1-bedroom studio apartment is selling for 38 million naira, and with initial deposit of 50% of 38 million naira, then you can key into this. And the juicy aspect of it is that the remaining 50% is interest free. You can spread it for 12 months, no interest. The 50% remaining, no interest, 12 months interest free. So if you are an organization too, you can invest in this for your staff. And also, if you want to do investment too, maybe you want to use it for rentals, either long stay or short stay. So you can invest in our 1-bedroom studio apartment, which is selling for 38 million naira. So quick one. At the end of the day, it has been estimated that this for per night, it will be going for 65,000 per night, if not more than that, but let's peg it for 65,000 per night. So if you are doing in 20 days, you'll be using 20 days. I don't want to use 30 days. Let's use 20 days. 20 times 65,000 per day. That one will be giving us 1.3 million naira. It will give us 1.3 million naira. So when we do it times the 12 months, this will give us 50.6 million naira. You can see in 2 years we'll be having 31.2 million naira. You can see something that is going for 38 million naira, and in 2 years we'll be getting 31.2 million naira for 20 days in a month. You can see that you can get your money back in 2 years. Yes, in 2 years you can get your money back. So if you are looking for investment, a 1-bedroom studio apartment in the Hockley Millennial Town is the best place for you. It's a good investment that I know that you don't want to miss out of it. A 1-bedroom apartment is an eco-stay living. What I call it, eco-stay living. There will be a lot of greeneries, natural thing around the estate, and this estate we're going to have a swimming pool too, recreational facility, and the rest. So for you that you are looking, you don't want to share anything like the lodge that I told you about, you don't want to share anything with anybody, 1-bedroom apartment is very good and it's selling for 38 million naira. With initial deposit of 50% of it, you can subscribe to it and you can spread the payment for 12 months with no interest. I know you like that, so I want you to give me a call. Let's talk about it. Let me take you for an inspection so that you can see what you want to invest in. We've started our piling, and what the floors that is going up is the same that is going down. So call me now. Call me. Let me take you for an inspection so that you can see what you want to buy. So I'll be expecting a call. Like I always say, don't stop investing in real estate. This is a tangible asset. And if you're coming across my channel for the first time, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell notification and follow us on all our social media handle at Salesville Properties. Call me now. I'm expecting a call.